What is up, guys? We are back with another plugin tutorial for Bukkit. We're gonna take a look at the Worldedit and Worldguard plugins. First of all, I want to say sorry for the constant beeping. I will try and get a new microphone next week. Anyways, on to the tutorial. What Worldedit and Worldguard does is it allows you to create bigger structures and constructions and bigger, basically it allows you to create nearly everything you want a lot easier, so you don't have to go placing blocks all over. So what you want to do is go over to the Bukkit, and usually Worldguard and Worldedit come together. So what you want to do now is go download mod loader, the single player mod loader, and type in %app data %.minecraft bin, open with WinRAR, delete the meta in folder is currently being used. Silly me. Delete it. Where is the Control A, drag and drop it in a Minecraft folder, click yes. Now go to Google and type in Worldedit CUI. Mod. Sorry about that. I think it's the first link, so you might wanna let's see if it's the first link. Actually, no, it isn't. What the hell is it? Bukkit. Oh. Worldedit CUI. No, that's not it. Where is the CUI? No, that's not it. Oh, there it is. I think. Oh my god, this is starting. There it is, I think. Yeah, this is actually not really necessary, but it is recommended. Yeah, that's it. I'll leave the link in the description. Where is the stable version? There it is. Need mod loader, so that's why we have mod loader. Where do we want to? So you want to open it until you get this folder, and we can close that. Go back to the .minecraft folder. Create a new folder called mods. Oh, might already be in there. That is weird. I already have it in here. That is very weird. I could have sworn I didn't. But yeah, you just go download mod loader, go download the Worldedit CUI, and I'll be back in a second. And let's do stone. Oh, if we look inside, it didn't work. Let's try it with something else. Let's here. Let's expand it. 5 up. Now let's do an outline. There we go. As you can see, it's hollow inside. You can make houses really fast with this. If you want the selection region, the little red cuboid, to move, you can do /shift, let's say 5 up. It'll go 5 up. Let me quickly undo that. Shift 5 down. Let's say I want the everything in the selection region to move. You can do /move 1 up. As you can see, it moved 1 up because we also selected the ground. If we do /1 up, oh, move 1 up. Now it moved 1 up because we also selected the ground, like I said before. Now if we would do down again, so do down, then the roof would stick because the selection region didn't move as well. So you gotta be careful of that. And you can do up to let's say 5. It will undo all those 5 steps. Also, one thing to know: you can move, shift, or expand stuff in the way you're looking at. So you don't have to exactly know where south or north is. Like, let's say I don't know where north is. I don't really know. Actually, I have no idea where north is. I just want to expand that way. No, move it. I want to move the selection that way. You can move that way. Do shift, let's say 5, and it will go where we looked at. If I look there, shift 5, it will go there. So it's a nice little tool. I don't know if it goes up. Let's try. Yep, goes up and down as well. Let's give ourselves some water. This is a very common problem with people. Let's say I wanna fix this water, the stream. You just jump in the water you wanna fix. Type fix water or fix lava. Works with lava also, but you need God mode. The radius, let's say 5 blocks. And there we go. We can drain water. Drain 5. And you can fill things again. Fill water 5. Gotta be careful if you use that, because you could accidentally drain this. Moving on. Let's take a moon hoe. Something nobody uses. You can do / brush, and I will show you all the brushes. So we can do, let's try cylinder. Brush. Cylinder. You gotta have a type, so let's say glowstone, and radius, it's maximum 6, I think, but you can change in the config file. Changing it, however, the bigger the radius, the more lag it will produce. So let's try 3, and if I right click somewhere, it will create those nice looking patterns. Now let's say I only wanted to work on sand. the sand here. We can do mask, and the type, let's do sand. Now if we right click the grass it won't work, but if you right click the sand it will do only the sand. And this is a very helpful tool because let's say we spill lava here. Well, we grief lava here. We can do, oh yeah, just do mask to disable it. We can do, god damn it. Okay guys, we are back, so let's quickly get all this shit away. First off, I'm gonna show you the basic commands. We want to get the selection tool, and how to do that is we type in / want, and it will give us a wooden X. That's the selection tool by default. You can change it in the configuration file, but it's not really recommended. Next, you want to left click a point and right click a point. Let's say here. You'll see this grid pop up, and that's the reason I told you to download the Worldedit CUI. CUI stands for Client User Interface, and only you can see it. It's basically a help tool. If you didn't have this, then let's say we select these 2 points and you go somewhere else. You wanna delete this thing the griefers made. Yeah, some griefer made this. And you'd select this, but you didn't know that point was still selected, so you might mess some things up very badly. If this annoys you, you can do / cell, and it will disappear. So let's start with the basics. Select 1 point, another, and everything selected we can edit. We can set it to something else, let's say stone. To do that we type in // most of the Worldedit commands begin with a // just the way the developer liked to do it, and I actually love this method instead of doing 1 / 2 slashes, but whatever. We do set and the type, so you can either type in 1, undo, you can undo and redo things, or you can type in the name, stone. I think that only works if you got essentials or another plugin that defines IDs to names or something. I'm not too sure. You can also delete it by setting it to air. What this does, it just, well, sets it to air. So it's gone. One important thing you should note is, let's say we build ourselves a god damn it, a little stone cube. Well, more like a rectangle. Let's say I want to select the whole thing. You gotta select from top all the way to bottom, because it's a cuboid selection. And if we set it now, let's do it glowstone, you can see, bam. If you want to select only the top, you go from top right to top left, and we can set that to something else. Let's say you want to let's say you select this and you want to make a giant tower, but you don't want to build blocks all the way up and then select that point. You can do / expand the number you want to expand, let's say 5, and you can go up, down, west, east, south, and north. Let's say we go 5 up. It will go 5 up. You can go back again by doing contract, and let's say we go 5 down again. Now we're at our origin point at the first points we selected. Let's say I want only the borders of this selected. We can do / walls and then whatever you want it, so only the borders would get selected. Now let's say I build this up a bit more. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, we got a whole cuboid now, as you can see, and we want to make this so it's hollow inside, like a hallway. You can do / outline